Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a juicy topic for you: the incredible health benefits of eating watermelons. Watermelon, with its delightful taste and vibrant color, is not just a summer treat but a nutritional powerhouse that can boost your well-being in numerous ways. In this video, we'll explore 11 amazing health benefits of indulging in this delicious fruit. 1. Hydration booster. Let's start with the obvious. Watermelons are incredibly hydrating. They are composed of a staggering 92% water, making them one of the most hydrating fruits available. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, as it helps regulate body temperature, supports digestion, and keeps your skin looking radiant. So, next time you're feeling parched on a hot day, reach for a slice of watermelon to quench your thirst naturally. 2. Rich in nutrients. Watermelons are not just water, they are also loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. A single serving provides a healthy dose of vitamin C, which boosts your immune system, promotes healthy skin, and aids in wound healing. Moreover, watermelons are a rich source of vitamin A, essential for maintaining good vision and supporting a robust immune system. They also contain potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and muscle contractions. 3. Heart health. If you're concerned about heart health, you'll be pleased to know that watermelons contain a unique compound called citrulline. Citrulline is known for its ability to relax blood vessels, promoting better blood flow. Improved blood flow can reduce the risk of heart disease and related conditions. By incorporating watermelon into your diet, you're making a heart-smart choice. 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including arthritis and heart disease. Thankfully, watermelons contain antioxidants, such as lycopene, that help combat inflammation. Lycopene has been shown to reduce the activity of inflammatory markers in the body, potentially providing relief for those with inflammatory conditions. 5. Weight management. For those on a weight management journey, watermelons are a fantastic addition to your diet. They are low in calories but high in dietary fiber. This combination helps you feel full and satisfied, reducing overall calorie intake. Plus, the natural sweetness of watermelons can satisfy your sweet tooth without resorting to calorie-laden desserts. 6. Skin health. Beautiful, radiant skin is something we all desire, and watermelons can help you achieve just that. The vitamins A and C in watermelons promote healthy skin by aiding in collagen production, reducing the signs of aging, and protecting your skin from damage caused by UV rays. Consider it nature's skincare secret. 7. Eye protection. Your eyesight is precious, and watermelons can play a role in protecting it. The vitamin A content in watermelons supports good vision and reduces the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a common eye condition that affects many as they grow older. 8. Muscle recovery. If you're an active individual or an athlete, watermelon can aid in muscle recovery. The amino acid citrulline found in watermelons has been linked to reduced muscle soreness and improved exercise performance. It may help you bounce back faster from intense workouts, making watermelon a perfect post-exercise snack. 9. Digestive aid. Digestive discomfort is a common issue for many people. Watermelons can lend a helping hand here too. Their high water and fiber content can promote regular bowel movements and prevent constipation. This natural digestive aid can keep your gut happy and healthy. 10. Immune support. Vitamin C, found abundantly in watermelons, is a superstar when it comes to boosting your immune system. It's your body's first line of defense against infections and illnesses. Regularly consuming watermelon can help fortify your immune system, keeping you healthy year-round. 11. Alkalizing properties. Last but not least, watermelons possess alkalizing properties. An alkaline diet is believed to help balance the body's pH levels, reducing the risk of chronic diseases associated with high acidity. Incorporating watermelons into your diet can contribute to this alkalizing effect and promote overall health. And there you have it, 11 amazing health benefits of eating watermelons. Whether you enjoy it sliced, in a smoothie, or as part of a delicious salad, make sure to incorporate this fantastic fruit into your diet for a healthier, happier you. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Remember, though, that while watermelons are undeniably nutritious, they should be part of a balanced diet. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your dietary habits. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.